I'm Cindy Santa Ana, integrative nutritionist for the Amen Clinics and your Wellness Wednesday host. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite recipes for this summer refreshing dip, Tzatziki, which we all know is familiar in Greek dishes, and they use traditionally Greek yogurt. Today we're going to use a dairy-free yogurt to make this anti-inflammatory and maybe even an option for those of you who have dairy allergies. So this is something I make for myself since I can't eat dairy. So you can choose either Kite Hill or Oatly, but it's better if you can find the Greek yogurt version because it's thicker and it'll make a better tzatziki sauce. And you want to make sure it's plain yogurt so it's not sweetened. You simply put it into a bowl and then shred about 4 or 5 little cucumbers, or if you have really big ones and you just want to shred them, you can just simply use a box grater to shred your cucumbers. And then you need to drain it really well, so you can squeeze it with your hands or you can use a tea towel, but you want to make sure that your cucumber is nice and dry and not watery before you add it to your yogurt. Then you add a few cloves of some minced garlic, a few dashes of salt, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, and that gives it that kind of tang flavor. And then my favorite is to add some chopped dill or some fresh mint right on top, and you have a delicious summer dip to use in your recipes with your grilled meats. I make this with my chicken shawarma, which is just baked chicken thighs, but you can do it with any meats, and then serve this on the side. Hope you'll try it. Thanks, take care.